If you've ever needed to get the current date in Zapier, this quick tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Whether you want today's date for a spreadsheet, an email, a database update, or any automated workflow, Zapier makes it easy to pull in the current date and format it exactly the way you need. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. So even if you're brand new to Zapier, you'll be able to follow along with no problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Create button. Click on Create and then choose Zap Workflows. This is where we're going to build the automation. Now inside the workflow editor, click the plus icon to add a new step. This is the part where Zapier lets you choose what kind of action you want to perform. From the app options, select Formatter. Formatter is one of the most useful tools in Zapier because it helps you transform data, clean data, and in this case, work with dates and times. After selecting Formatter, click on Choose an Event. This is where you tell Zapier what kind of formatting task you want to use. From the list, click Date Time. Then click Continue to move to the next step. Now you'll see the Fields section for the date formatting action. Here, click on Choose Value. This tells Zapier what date you want to use as the input. If you want the current date, Zapier can use the date from the automation run itself and then format it for you automatically. After that, click on Format. This is where the magic happens because Zapier now gives you options for how the date should appear. Click on the value field for the format setting, and then choose the date format you want. In this example, select MMMM. That format will display the date in a clean, readable style like August 06, 2026, depending on the day you run it. Once you choose that format, Zapier will use it to output the current date in that exact layout. And that's really all there is to it. At this point, you've successfully set up Zapier to get the current date and format it the way you want. You can now use this value in the next steps of your workflow, whether that means saving it to Google Sheets, sending it in an email, updating a CRM, or passing it into another app. This is especially helpful when you need consistent date formatting across all your automations. A quick tip here, if your workflow depends on date formatting, always double check whether you need just the date, the full timestamp, or a custom format for different countries or systems. That can help prevent confusion later on. And if you want to make your automations even more powerful, you can combine this with other formatter tools to adjust time zones, extract parts of a date, or convert between different formats. So now you know exactly how to get the current date in Zapier using Formatter and Datetime. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.